I think the ayes have it, and consequently the motion is adopted. Clause by clause reading. Clause 2 amendment. There is an amendment in clause 2 standing in the name of Ms. Shaza Fatima Khaja MNA. Now I call upon Ms. Shaza Fatima Khaja to move the amendment.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Clause 2. I beg to move that in Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Bill 2023,
this is the way,
as passed by the National Assembly and Senate and returned by the President in Clause 2, 1 in subclause 1, after the word 2, the word next shall be inserted.
Shaza, move करें.
सर दोबारा शुरू कर दूं?
हमने आपकी जमहूरियत देखी.
Sir, I beg to move that in Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Bill in 2023 as passed by the National Assembly and Senate and returned by the President in Clause 2, 1 in subclause 1 after the word 2, the word next shall be inserted. 2. The proposed subclause 2 shall be renumbered as subclause 3, and for the existing subclause 2, the following shall be substituted, namely 2. Soon after the commencement of this Act, the committee constituted under subsection 1 shall hold its first meeting to determine its procedures, including for holding meetings and constitution of benches, etc. Provided that till such time the procedure is determined under the subsection, the meeting of the committee for the purpose of subsection 1 shall be convened by the Chief Justice or other two members of the committee, as the case may be.
Minister for Law and Justice, do you oppose it?
It brings clarity, उससे ज़्यादा clarity आ जाती है. आर्टिकल 209 में भी सीनियरिटी को